Okay, so to continue our recap and close out our exploration of Worldbook Student, here are the pros to Worldbook Student, which are many. So first of all, you can connect to Google Classroom directly and to your emails and to PDFs and to saving your content. That Google Classroom, being able to save through it is very helpful if you're working in a group together. You can all save your content in one place and you all can look at it in one place. You can sort the educator tools by curriculum standards. This is for your teachers mostly, but I put it in here because you can also search by those curriculum standards. So if you're not sure what the objective is for something you're working on, or you need to know the why of what you're doing, that's a good place to go. Curriculum standards. Worldbook Student Pro is very easy to navigate. It's like Google Classroom text searches, but also has an advanced search. It has a citation builder for you so that you don't have to worry about trying to figure out what goes first, second, third in that citation, where the periods go, where the commas go. It will do it right for you, just there. You can sort results by publication types like images, articles, videos, maps, lots of different publication types. You can translate the articles in over 100 languages. And that's helpful for you if you are learning English and you really need to hear it in your own language first to get the main idea and then maybe look at it in the English to make some connections to vocabulary. Another pro is that you can also search by different reading levels of the content article. If you find an article that's too difficult for you to read, go back and search by your reading lexile level. But remember, ask your teacher what that lexile level is because you may not know. And that can help you get some content that is readable for you that's not frustrating. There's multiple forms of document representations, which we've already talked about. You can download content, articles, you can email them, you can save them as a PDF or to Google Drive. There are also many special features in here, like the citation builder, the timelines, the My Research portfolio. So many different things you can use with this Worldbook Student Pro. Now, take a minute to think about Worldbook Studio and what you like about it and what you enjoyed learning.